So guys, for those who don't know, we tried some games in Roblox, but now I'm gonna play this game. Which is called Tsunami Disaster Survival. Yes, we have to survive that tsunamis here. It's always like that. Oh, this is the easiest map, dude. This is literally easy. There's almost no way someone did not survive. Oh, look at this. That tsunami almost hit here, but it's not. It has not enough. Guys, for those who don't know, in the last video, I just changed my avatar into my Brookhaven avatar, and here it is. Look at this. Okay, now I'm gonna go here. Oh, let's go, guys. Now we finally survived. Oh, where's my name? Oh, never mind. It's just here. Waiting for a moment. Okay, I'm waiting. Don't even waste my time here, hello? Okay, the next map is castle. Oh, I thought it's the sand castle one. For me, it's, I think, the hardest of all. Bro, what are you doing? Let's do some kind of obby. Okay, we finally reached this. I'm just obbying. Oh. Why is the avatar a bit weird, though? Oh, I almost fell into that tsunami. I don't even know. Oh, never mind. They actually died. I meant to say, I don't know if those players are there will survive, but they really did that. It's a bit weird, right? There's just some people down there. But I imagine if we fall. No. Oh, never mind. It already passed by here. There's also a secret in this part. If you go, you will be eliminated for some reason. It's a bit weird. But now, let's test in the shop. Oh, I meant to say, if I have the speed coil now, but I guess I don't have. Guys, stop pushing around. Oh gosh. Okay, now we're almost getting at the top of this building. Oh no. Apparently there's no ship lock here, so we have to be first person or even just stayed like this. Oh, why are you guys pushing? This is not good. Oh, come on. Don't push each other. Okay, now I'm almost getting here. I can jump here. Oh. Here now we're back down. Okay, this is a bit good cause I'm surviving each round right now. Okay. The players here are most the baconers.
Hindi ba mo pag sinagsahan?
Oh.
Hindi mo ba?
Let's just climb this tower. Okay. There's some, I think they're pushing. Bro, can you even climb here? She just climbed. Oh gosh. Don't even try to push me. Bro, I'm just very careful because I might fail here. No, we actually did not. But I almost. Oh gosh. Okay, now we're going here. Let's do a bit of obby here. On. Okay, now we pass. Most of them have the speed coil, which I don't have. Cause I think I played this 2 times. So now I'm going to go down here. I wanna next round I will reset. Oh, I actually reset myself. This is how it looks. A bit weird, yes. Like that. Okay, now oh, never mind that. Let's respawn. I want to complete the parkour. Yeah. Before we survive all. Okay, I'm doing pretty well. Until it's these red lasers. Oh gosh, I fell. I mean, I died. That's what I mean. I did not meant to say I fell, but I died. I died on the first jump on that one. Why is it so hard to play this? Oh yay! I finished. Now I'm gonna jump into the pool. I'm also gonna do this ball challenge. Oh, it's just very slippery cause it rolls around. Can you stop rolling for a second, please? Okay, it kind of stopped, but oh, there, finally. We're at the sandcastle, which for me is the hardest of all. This is really hard. Oh, stop pushing me. Oh gosh. Can you please stop pushing me? I will go here instead. Oh, there's some players which I think is dying. Oh. Some of them died. Oh, why did you jump into the water? Did you see that, girl? Okay, now I will go here, which ain't dangerous. You can just jump there if you have the oh, I forgot. Oh, gravity coil. If you really just have that. Oh, it stopped. Okay, finally. I don't think this is the last round. Hey, what are these plushie doing here? It's a mini plushie for those who don't know. Okay, Toyland. Let's go. Okay, let's now go. Let's don't climb there. We can just go here. LOL. Oh, is that a wall hop? Bro, I don't know much how to wall hop, but I think I can. I don't know. Okay. There's another one. Stay safe. Oh, he just died for some reason. Don't jump there. If you jump there, you die. What the? Okay, now we're here. Here's my avatar. There's no avatar editor here, okay? Okay. Oh. I'm one of survivors again. No, look. No, I don't still have the speed for some reason. Oh, here. Wait, why can I climb here? Oh, this is the wall hop. Well, I think I cannot really wall hop here. Oh, never mind that. I just jumped too high for some reason. There's also a roof there, a climbing spot there, which is unbelievable. The wall hops are now dead. It just got raid. Bro, watch out. You might... Oh, did you see that? I just almost died there. Get damn. Look, he died when the moment he steps there. It's really bad. Okay, now I'm going here carefully. Okay, now we can... Oh, why? For some reason, this is broken. Why is it broken, dude? It's not supposed to be broken. I'm really confused. Oh. Now we're going here. I don't know why I still don't have the speed coil, cause I think I survived challenges already here. Oh no, I'm trapped. Let us get out. Oh, they let up. This is a bridge, dude. Okay, now. Oh, I almost fell. Oh no, I fell really badly. But now I'm just going here. I just got this shortcut. Guys, don't push. Yes, I finally got here. But let's jump at the same time. We just got there and we also jump. It's a bit weird, but now I'm going to say bye-bye right now. If you enjoyed this video, then like and subscribe. So that's it, bye-bye. I hope you guys enjoyed.